Dictation number 4. Start. Where is the end to selfless action? Now, where even the Creator himself is bound by the chains of his own creation, as Tagore wrote. Stop. Experimentation and evolution go on perpetually. Stop. Ramakrishna made it clear that the God incarnate accepts no mukti because he is concerned about all, and secondly, he enjoys the devotion of the devotees, which he will not be able to release once he accepts mukti. Stop. The love that human beings can offer is the most precious for God, as Tagore expressed is one of the poems in Gitanjali, you are the king of kings, yet you are striving hard to seek my heart. Stop para. We should not therefore ask for deliverance. We only ask for devotion which can motivate us to pursue selfless action. This way we can serve the world where we are born. Stop. The greatest asset that human beings are born with is the ability to love God. Stop. The objective of human life is met when we are able to realize it and direct our feelings towards Him. Stop. Para. But this does not mean that our duties and responsibilities can be neglected. Rather, with all sincerity, they have to be perused because they are part of our service to Him. Stop. Once we practice in this manner, we get detached from the fruit of the work we pursue. Stop. The world we live in and the life we lead would then become a storehouse of happiness. Stop. What we thought once as illusion would appear as a part and parcel of truth. Great minds are born to set for us paths which we call religion. Stop. And religion creates space for us to think beyond our surroundings, or in other words, the philosophize. Stop. We are then able to access which part of our thoughts and interpretation is mundane and what's cosmic. Stop. Once this cosmic angle enters our understanding, we realize that nothing is an illusion in everything. There is truth. We then learn to accept everything with love. Love that does not bind us to any specific configuration. Stop. One with the true devotion never gets misled by his own mind. Stop. True devotion is like a river which appears to have dried up but may contain water beneath. Stop. There may not be any exhibition, though at heart one is deeply engaged in contemplation. Stop. The biggest wonder in life is that the more we nurture our ego, the greater are the hindrances. Stop. Once ego gets submerged in the ocean of devotion, hindrances come only for the sake of enlightenment. Stop. Para. Devotion lays the foundation for patience to grow, and patience is beyond the clutches of time, while remaining within the realms of time. We learn to go beyond it with the help of the wings of patience. Stop. Patient waiting is the merging of the individual spirit with the universal spirit. The spiritual consciousness is so wide that it encompasses the consciousness that pervades the physical and mental manifestation. Thus, despite having the physical existence within the narrow domain, the precious human life gives the opportunity to have the realization of being a part of the endlessness. Stop.